Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the best multi-cookers you can get right now. Let's get into it, starting with number 5. Number 5, beautiful 10-in-1 multi-cooker, Barrymore. A stylish appliance that punches above its weight class for home cooks who want versatility without sacrificing countertop aesthetics. If you're looking for solid cooking performance with beautiful design, this cooker deserves your attention for its straightforward operation and dependable results. With its 10 cooking functions and sleek design, this multi-cooker handles everything from pressure cooking to slow cooking with impressive ease. The intuitive controls make meal prep simple, while the attractive design looks great on any kitchen counter instead of hiding in a cabinet. What sets it apart is the balance between style and functionality that doesn't compromise on cooking performance. The non-stick pot cleans easily, while the safety features provide peace of mind during pressure cooking. Where it shines: beautiful design, solid cooking performance, easy-to-use controls, and affordable pricing. Where it falls short: smaller capacity than some competitors and limited advanced features. Who's it for? Style-conscious cooks, apartment dwellers, or anyone wanting reliable multi-cooking with attractive design. Bottom line: the beautiful 10-in-1 strikes a solid balance between aesthetics, functionality, and value for everyday cooking needs. Number 4, Instant Pot Duo Crisp Multi-Cooker. A refined, versatile cooker that blends proven pressure cooking with air frying capability, perfect for families who want multiple cooking methods in one appliance. This isn't just another multi-cooker, it's a thoughtful upgrade that delivers enhanced versatility. Thanks to the combination of pressure cooking and air crisping, you get excellent cooking flexibility that handles complete meals from start to finish. Whether you're making tender roasts or crispy fries, this cooker provides consistently good results that satisfy diverse cooking needs. The dual-lid system changes the game by providing both pressure cooking and air frying without needing separate appliances. The large capacity handles family-sized portions, while the reliable instant pot performance ensures consistent results. What really sets this apart is the refined balance of features that doesn't overwhelm with complexity. The controls are intuitive, and the cooking presets take the guesswork out of meal preparation. Who's it for? Busy families, home cooks wanting versatility, or anyone needing both pressure cooking and air frying capabilities. Bottom line: the Duo Crisp delivers reliable multifunction cooking with proven instant pot quality and excellent versatility. Number 3, Instant Superior Multi-Cooker. An innovative appliance built for serious home cooks who want premium features without flagship pricing. If you're tired of basic multi-cookers that lack precision, this one changes the game with advanced controls and superior cooking performance. What sets it apart is the enhanced temperature control and precision cooking modes that provide restaurant-quality results at home. You get exceptional cooking consistency with advanced features that make complex recipes manageable, while the premium construction ensures long-term reliability. The build quality is impressive and dependable. The stainless steel pot distributes heat evenly, while the advanced sensor technology monitors cooking progress automatically. You'll find this cooker excels at both everyday meals and special occasion cooking. One standout feature is how the cooker handles different cooking techniques with professional-level precision. The intuitive interface makes advanced cooking accessible, while the comprehensive preset programs simplify meal preparation. Who's it for? Serious home cooks, culinary enthusiasts, or anyone wanting premium multi-cooking with advanced features and reliable performance. Bottom line: the Instant Superior isn't just another multi-cooker. It's a premium cooking solution built for those who demand precision and quality. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. More honest multi-cooker reviews are coming your way. And no need to dig around. I've dropped all the links you need right there in the description. Number 2, Crock-Pot MultiMeal Multi-Cooker Dual Zone. A smart dual zone appliance that's taken a big step forward in cooking flexibility. What sets the MultiMeal apart is its ability to cook 2 different dishes simultaneously, giving you meal prep capabilities that single-zone cookers simply can't match. Unlike standard multi-cookers that limit you to one dish at a time, Crock-Pot's dual-zone design delivers impressive versatility with independent temperature controls for each zone. The cooker rewards meal preppers with efficient cooking while providing the flexibility needed for diverse dietary needs within one household. One standout feature is the independent zone control that lets you pressure cook a main dish while slow cooking a side simultaneously. This feels precisely engineered for busy families, giving you confidence that dinner will be ready with minimal effort and maximum efficiency. The MultiMeal includes proven Crock-Pot reliability with quality construction that handles demanding cooking schedules. You get comprehensive cooking functions with thoughtful design, while the dual-zone capability makes meal planning significantly more efficient. Who's it for? Busy families, meal preppers, or anyone wanting to cook multiple dishes simultaneously with reliable performance. Bottom line, the Crock-Pot MultiMeal redefines cooking efficiency with dual-zone capability and proven reliability. And finally, my number one pick, Ninja Footy Possible Cooker Pro. A next-generation appliance that combines proven versatility, cutting-edge features, and top-tier performance into one complete cooking package. Whether you're an ambitious home cook or simply want the most capable multi-cooker available, this model delivers professional quality results with exceptional capability. What sets the Possible Cooker Pro apart is its incredible range of cooking functions that achieves restaurant-quality results while maintaining intuitive operation. Unlike other multi-cookers that excel in one area, this provides consistently excellent performance across pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, searing, and more. Smart engineering is built right in. The advanced temperature control handles precise cooking smoothly, while comprehensive presets provide perfect results for various dishes. Whether you're making yogurt or searing steaks, it responds exactly as expected. The refined construction reaches its peak with Ninja's premium materials and proven engineering. Build quality is dependable with attention to detail in every aspect. Comprehensive features include multiple cooking zones, advanced sensors, and professional-grade capability. Who's it for? Serious home cooks wanting the best possible multi-cooking experience with maximum versatility and refined technology. Bottom line, the Ninja Footy Possible Cooker Pro is the total package, the ultimate multi-cooker for those refusing to settle for average cooking performance. And that wraps it up. If you found your perfect multi-cooker, links are in the description. Drop your favorite in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.